In this video, I will show you how to delete all contacts from your Android phone. Sometimes, you may want to start fresh or clean up your contact list. Deleting contacts can help with that. I will guide you step by step, making it easy to follow along. To get started, open up the Google Play Store on your Android device. Once you're in the store, head over to the search section. Type in Google Contacts and hit search. If you don't have the app installed yet, go ahead and download it now. It's essential for managing your contacts effectively. Once downloaded, tap on Open to launch Google Contacts. Now that you're inside the app, look for the Contacts tab at the bottom left of your screen. Tap on it, and you'll see a complete list of all your saved contacts. Next up, it's time to select the contacts you want to delete. To begin this process, simply tap and hold any contact until it becomes highlighted. Once you've selected one contact, tap on those three little dots, located in the upper right corner of your screen. From here, choose Select All. This option will highlight every single contact listed in your Google Contacts. This is a crucial step if you're looking to delete everything at once. With all contacts selected, direct your attention back to that same top right corner where you'll see a trash can icon. Tap on it to initiate deletion. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure about deleting these contacts. Tap Delete to confirm this action. After confirming deletion, all selected contacts are moved into trash. But keep in mind that they aren't permanently deleted just yet. They'll remain there for 30 days before being automatically removed forever. If you want them gone immediately, you can do so by tapping on Organize found in that same menu area we've been using. Then select Trash. Here you'll find all recently deleted contacts waiting for permanent removal. To finalize their deletion right away, tap Empty Trash now. A final confirmation will pop up, just hit Delete forever. And there you have it, all unwanted contacts are now deleted from your Android phone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.